Hello everyone and welcome back to Johnny Letters. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use chat to make money online. So let's get into it. As usual, we're heading straight to QuimbleSocks.com. And what you're going to want to do from here, log in, sign up if you need, download the business client if you want to make a business. But today we're going to go ahead and click on Quimble Chat. So once you are in the Quimble Chat screen, you'll notice a couple things. Your messages will have a new notification button here if there's a new message. Vince Tron is texting me, Zaylen Jugby is texting me, or whatever. Then on the side, the most important thing is we can see fluctuations live in the Quarkit, which is the Quimble Socks market, where you can buy Quimbles, you can buy socks. So let's explore this Quarkit a little bit more, because this is how you're going to be making your money. You can not only buy and sell Quimbles and socks, but you can also buy and sell small territory. As you can see, Old Macedonia is here on sale. And it just increased in price by about $9 million. So let's go ahead and check out this top one here, XX444-J12. It just gained 201,000 in price, and let's inspect in the sell screen. Here is QuimbleSocks.com says Squalor, and you can see the close-up of the Quimble that you're buying, the total value, buy, sell, or you can share as usual. And the strategy here is you want to buy something at a low price and wait until it increases in value, guys, and then you sell it, and that's actually how you make money. See what you can do from there. Let's say, for example, I don't want to get too complicated, but I'll put a hypothetical situation out there. You buy Quimble X-O-O, okay? That is the original Quimble. That guy is about, I don't know, 700 million. And if you were to be the first Quimble buyer, you would have bought X-O-O for about $20, because that's how all the Quarkit started off at $20 per Quimble, $5 per sock, and now they've increased because of the massive amount of people buying and selling these things every day. So guys, that's how you can make the big bucks. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this very video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.